welcome to Pakate Wellness TV. So today I decided to just stop by to talk briefly to you about something, and that is simply taking care of yourself, taking care of your looks. Okay, then there are many ways you can take care of yourself, but this particularly talks about your looks. It is important that we take care of the way we look. Why? This makes us feel good. This makes us feel confident. Okay, so you have many people walking around, they feel they're deficient in one way or the other. So they walk around feeling not so good and not very confident. Okay, so we want to bust that. We want to just make ourselves feel good and feel confident in our own skin. Especially as ladies, you know, we have so many things to enhance our looks. We have our makeup, we have our hair extensions, nail extensions, lashes extensions. We even have, bust extensions, butt and hips extensions, and then we have height extensions as well. Yes, we wear high heels up to 6 inches high. Okay, so if you're not as tall as you wanted to be, you could actually extend that with your high heels. Okay, so we have all these extensions, and this makes us look so good. This makes us feel so confident, and a confident person can achieve so much. Now I started to think, who would have thought that we would have gone months on lockdown? I mean, the entire world at the same time. Who would have thought that our normal way of going about our daily business, going to work, going into the beauty salon and all of that would be distorted? I mean, I did not think of it, I didn't expect it, and I'm sure a lot of people didn't as well. You know, that's to tell you that there would be times, there can be times, and there would be times that you would have to do without these extensions. So what happens to all that good feeling? What happens to all that confidence and all? Does it go down the drain? Do you suddenly become ashamed? You know, you can't do your hair, you can't enhance your looks, and you have to come face to face with your significant other all the time. He's seeing you like that, and you can't really, you know, or not even just him or her. I mean, people outside, people who see you every day all done up, and then suddenly you can't do anything about it. How would you feel? Would you get depressed? Would you be ashamed? Would you feel bad? Would you feel less confident? Now these are the things that, you know, I thought about and I considered, and that's why I decided to talk about this today. Now I would have loved to say that I had a hard and long think about this, and then I came up with a solution due to research and all, but the truth of the matter is that I didn't have to think long and hard about it. You know why? Because I've always been an advocate for taking care of your own natural, your own skin, your own hair, you know, taking care of yourself. I mean, even if they stripped you of all the extensions, would you still look good? So I know that there are some things that you really can't help. For instance, you can't change your height, you can't change your bust or butt size or anything. Okay, fine, you can have implants, you know, bust implants, butt implants and all. As nice as that sounds, and seriously, I've seen people's procedure get botched. Okay, I've seen them having to go back to the hospital time and time again to fix what went bad the first time. So trust me, you don't want to do that. Okay, and of course I'm not saying every single procedure turns out like that. What I'm saying is that you just need to be careful. Okay, before you decide that you want to do invasive procedure, make sure that you have touched every other part, maintaining yourself, doing routine maintenance on your body and all of that, and applying natural methods before you go under the knife or before you do invasive procedure. You know, it's important that you feel good and you feel confident in your own skin. Okay, it's just like every person has his own personalities. Okay, and every personality has strengths and its weaknesses. The same thing with our looks. You have the parts of you that are, you know, look really nice, and the parts that may not be as you want it to be. Does not even mean it doesn't look nice. We're all different in our own way. You know, you have different body types. You have people who have the mesomorphic body type. You have people who have the endomorphic body type, and so on. You have people who are pear-shaped, who are hourglass shaped. You have people who are, you know, different kinds of shapes. So whichever shape you find yourself, whichever body type, rock your body type. Don't always look at someone else's, because the truth of the matter is you give yourself a lot of headache trying to look like someone else. If you can help things a bit, like you want a flat tummy, you can work on it, okay? But you can't just suddenly change your body type. I realize that Well, there's nothing impossible these days, but that may be very hard. Okay, so you have different body types, you have different body shapes, so work on your own. Focus on your strengths, focus on the very nice parts of your own body, your kind of shape. Focus on the very nice features of you. Enhance the ones that you feel are not so nice in a natural way. Usually I would say natural methods, and then workout routines. Okay, for some of us who don't have very slim waist, like cinched in waist, you could do some workouts. If you watched my video on simple flexibility and fitness workouts, you'll notice that there are some workouts that could cinch your waist in. So if you keep on those workouts for a while, you find out that your waist begins to cinch in, and then you find out that some parts of you begin to get toned. So you can tone your hips and butt region, and then cinch in your waist, flatten your tummy, and you've succeeded in enhancing one part of you. Okay, if you're heavy on top as a lady, you could stay off working out your arms, your chest and all of that, so you don't get heavier on top. Okay, but you just try work out your bottom, so that helps to enhance another body type. All right, so whatever body type you find yourself in, make the best out of it and make sure you feel good about it. Wear the kind of clothes that will flatter each body type and shape. I would also come up with a video on that. So you find that people wear wigs for different reasons, but most of the time people are not confident enough to bear their hair. Okay, they're not confident enough to carry their own hair. Why? Because it's not doing very well. Okay, but for it to do well, it needs attention. The same thing with our skin. Some people wear all that makeup and foundation not because they just want to wear it, but because they're trying to hide something, they're trying to cover up something, they're trying to make up for something. Okay, so sometimes it's acne, sometimes it's blemishes, it's spots and all of that, and they're trying to mask it. You know, I'll always say, don't cover the problem, treat the problem. The root cause, take care of it. Because sometimes when you try to cover the problem, you only worsen the matter. Like if you have hair issues and you're always on weaves, on tight braids, you only worsen the issues. That's the truth. You're gonna have to give your hair a break sometimes. Okay, so if you have hair issues, skin issues, you treat them rather than cover them. These days you have so many remedies. You have natural remedies, you have medical. Okay, especially for cases like alopecia, hair loss. You have different kind of hair loss. You have the one that happens just suddenly. You have sudden hair loss. You have your hairline receding. You have your hair thinning out, falling out, and all of that. Now, while you may be struggling to keep your hair, if you notice that you're trying and you're not really making progress, then you should consult your doctor, because there are doctors that treat hair loss or hair issues. Okay, the same with your skin. You can consult a dermatologist, okay, for your skin. Apart from visiting your doctors and all, it's good to have a routine maintenance for your hair. Okay, you want to clean up your hair. You want to make sure that your hair is always clean. Okay, you want to wash it every now and then, like every week or at least every other week if you have a hairdo on, so that your hair can breathe and your hair can do well. Okay, and then you want to make sure that you have the right hair products. Invest in hair products, in the right hair products for you. Sometimes we rely on the products we have at the salon, which may not be for our hair types, and then we notice that we're losing hair. So you need to know the kind of hair you have, and then you need to know what product will be suitable for you. The same thing with your skin. Invest in skincare products. Okay, either you go to your cosmetic store and buy what is suitable for you. Always be sure to read the instructions, or read all the details at the back of the cosmetics you're buying. You should know your kind of skin. You should find out. That's why it's good to go to a dermatologist. Okay, it would help you to know your skin type and recommend what you should be using. You could also do routines for your skin. Okay, drink a lot of water. add some drops of lemon every now and then, here and there, in your water. So if you have skin issues already, don't just tackle it on the outside, rub things, and then from the inside you're still the issue still causes your skin to react. So tackle it from the inside. Consult a doctor, consult a cosmetologist, a dermatologist. Get to know the skin issue and what you're supposed to be doing, and keep your skin moisturized. Very important. You'll be shocked at what moisturizing your skin can do. Moisturizing your skin well can actually prevent some breakouts on your skin. And even if you have an oily skin, moisturizing your skin does not cause your skin to start dripping with oil. No. You could find proper cream or moisturizer for oily skin. Sometimes constant moisturizing is all you need to fade those spots gradually, to impede those breakouts. So treat acne, treat spots, treat blemishes as much as possible. Sometimes not all the spots that will fade, not all the spots that will disappear, it's okay. But if your skin is looking well moisturized, even when there are some spots on it, you would still look very fresh and you would glow. So another way to take care of your looks is to do workouts. Don't feel too lazy, don't be too busy to do workouts. 10 to 15 minutes a day will not hurt, okay? Do your workouts to tone parts of your body, to cinch in your waist, flatten your tummy, build your butt and hips area and all of that. For the men, to build your biceps, triceps, your chest, your shoulders, to have that V shape, so that will help your looks. Meanwhile, for the men, you would want to cinch in your waist and tummy as well, okay? Because I noticed that these days many men are growing tummies. You have pot bellies. I mean, you don't get pregnant, so where are you getting the pot bellies from? Please, men, try cut down on the pot bellies, try cut down, do your workouts, flatten your tummy. I didn't say you had to have a six-pack, but try work on your tummy and waist region, okay? It's even better, it's good for your health, okay? If you're health conscious and you know about what having a very wide waistline as a man is, you know what I'm talking about. So if you do these little things to look good, trust me, when you emerge, people see that your hair is glowing, your skin is glowing. I mean, this girl or this guy is glowing, and the person doesn't even have extensions on. I mean, no nails, no hair. You just see that the person is glowing. You would look beautiful. In fact, you'll be said to be beautiful, and you'll wonder, but I'm not wearing any makeup. It doesn't have to be that all the time. Makeup is nice and all, it enhances our looks, but when you emerge and you are all natural and you can still be said to be beautiful, you can still be confident and feel good about yourself, it's very important. So be sure to take good care of yourself, be sure to take good care of your body. I'm going to come your way with another set of tips on how to take care of yourself in another way. Okay, so take good care of yourself, and remember that you may not have all those extensions all the time. You should look and feel good in your own skin every time. So thank you so much for listening. Please click on that subscribe button and the bell beside the subscribe button, and get to watch my next video. So till I come your way next time, stay well and stay blessed.